life, live it right, cause I'm living mine. That's Reski, he a G fam, I'm living mine. Living life amongst stars, nigga, I'ma shine. Thanking God every day, a nigga still alive, still alive, still alive. Watch how Skrill arrive, might make a nigga kill himself. Suicide, trust me, pass me the bubbly. I'ma celebrate cause any day can turn ugly. Drunk, I'm already been, and you ain't gotta roll, it's already one lit. With these bars I dump, my words be the shit, and always going hard, nigga, let's get
Hold it up, we just living life, only get once, let's get high, hold it all up, haze with the sour, don't mix it all up, cause you only get one life, gotta live it up, only get one life, gotta live it up, so let's get drunk, hold it up, we just living life, you only get one, so let's get
Low on the scene, first lay yourself, that's the most important thing. Catch me if you can is what I'm screaming to the man who's trying to put me in the can or leave me on the ground like the homie Mike Brown. Rest in peace, Big E. I can't breathe, trying to live my life right cause they don't wanna see me free. So I smoke big spliffs, haze with the sours mixed like my bitch, she Puerto Rican and black. I'm like a sniper with them tanks, I sneak and attack, I peep the scene and react. I'm the irate bandit, amazing professional, niggas can't stand it. The flow is impeccable, incredible, wordplay different. Niggas can't mimic, niggas can't stop G's, niggas know they finish. I'm back in my bag, night check swag. We just living life cause you only get one, so you gotta live it right. We just living life, you only get one, so you gotta live it right. So let's get high, roll it all up. Yeah, haze with the Darryl, we gon' mix it all up. Cause you only get one life, gotta live it up. You only get one life, gotta live it up. So let's get drunk,
hold it up, we just living life, you only get one, so let's get
that real stress reliever pill, let me make you feel good, baby, this is real good, let me make you feel good.